Hello students, we are going to deal with the topic training and development. The training means increasing the knowledge and skills of an employee for a particular job effectively and efficiently. Efficiently means with optimum utilization of resources, or we can say it as a minimum utilization of resources. And effectively means in a proper way. Development, it refers to the overall growth of an employee, and training comes under the development. It is a part of the development. Now let us see the difference between the training and development. See, as I said, we have already seen the definition of an training and development. So training means it is concerned with the development of skills and knowledge of an employee for a particular job, whereas development means with an overall development of an employee. And the term is like for the training, it is a short-term process. Development is a long-term process. Training focuses on the present, development focuses on the future. Training is job oriented, and whereas development is career oriented. The objective of training is to improve the work performance of the employees, and the objective of the development is to prepare the employees for their future challenges. Now let us see the objectives of the training. To provide job related knowledge to the workers, to provide the knowledge to the workers at what they are going to do in the job, to impart skills among the workers systematically so that they can learn quickly. Third point is to improve the productivity of the workers and the organization. Fourthly, to reduce number of accidents by providing safety training to the workers. And fifth, to make the workers handle materials, equipments, machine effectively, thus to check wastage of the time and resources. And lastly, to prepare workers for promotion in higher jobs by imparting them the advanced skills. Now let us see the importance of training. Trained workers can work more efficiently, because as they're already trained, they do not go with the hit and trial method. They just know that where they can get the get the results. Secondly, there will be a fewer accidents as trained employees enhance their knowledge about the machines. They know about the machines and equipments, so there will be a fewer accidents. The wastages is eliminated. We can say it reduces the effort, and it also saves the time when a trained person works. Now it helps the employees to move from one organization to the other organization to pursue career goals. Less requirement for supervision for trained employees, as that trained employees already know the job, how it has to be done. So he does not need any kind of an external supervision. Now with the help of training, best available methods can be standardized, made available to all the employees. Now next topic is need of the training. Why the companies needed training? Initially the companies focused on the technical skills, training of just technical skills, but later in 1980s and 1990s the newer training programs came into existence. Secondly, to be in the competition, the firms need to be technologically strong, and training increases the employee commitment towards the job, because when he is trained, he gains the knowledge, he gains skills. So as a result, he gains the confidence, and as a result, the commitment of an employee increases. Now let us see the types of training. The first one is orientation or induction training. That is the training which was given to the new recruits when they come in the organization, to make them introduce about the policies, benefits of the organization. Secondly, job instruction training, to demonstrate about what kind of a job he is going to do in the organization. And next is apprenticeship training. Apprentice, this word itself means where the people work under an experienced worker, or we can say it as a master worker. So here the trainer will be under a time period under a experienced or a master worker. And the last one is required and regular training. This training is very much required in all the organizations, like a new employee orientation training, safety training, which is mandatory in all the organization. So next let us see the objectives of the training. So to provide job related knowledge to the workers, and let us conclude by saying that training is an important part of the staffing and cannot be skipped if the organization wants to bring out the maximum of the employees. And yes, also training should be provided accurately, otherwise it leads to wastage of resources. Thank you.